today we're going to be sharing a very beautiful moment with you. So it is summer in Italy, and what everybody does in summer is that they get to beautify their balconies and their gardens with the most colorful plants that they can find. So today we bought our flower pots, we bought our plants, and we also got our soil. So we're going to be putting up our plants today, our flowers. So I just wanted to show you how it's going to be and how it's going to work out. As you know, most of us only get to have balconies here, as land is quite expensive because you even have to buy soil here. So this is what it's going to look like. Let me just show you the whole process, and I hope you watch this and be inspired to also put up some plants in your gardens or balconies. So come with me and see how we do this. Hi, so we are at a vivaio, which is a place where you can buy all kinds of plants. So today we were looking for flowers to put in our mini garden. Like, I'm super sweaty, I'm tired. Yeah. So I just want to show you where we bought our flowers from. It's a very beautiful place. You'll find a number of these within town. So let me just show you some of the beautiful plants they have here, and I hope you get inspired to have a garden of your own. So check this out. So these are the many plants. You can actually find fruit trees, you can find flowers, like this part where you get to have like different types of roses. Like, there are all kinds of roses, small, big, red, blue, black. I think you can find any color. You have some plants like these here. You have some that grow as trees, small or big. You can find anything and everything. It's a very big place. So this is our garden. We already have some spring onion growing here. Like, we use this a lot for cooking. As you see, we just pruned it and it's sprouting out. It's looking lovely. And these are the flowers that we bought. This is the pink one. We got this one with a mixed color. I'm sure it's going to look so beautiful. And then we got these. There is a purple one and this one, which has a mixture of pink and yellow. And then there is another one. Babe, can I see that one?
The one behind?
Yeah. And then we have the red one, as well as another pink one, which is a brighter pink. So these are the flowers that we bought. They're going to look so beautiful. And that's the soil in there. We had to buy soil as well. And these are the pots that we bought. So we bought these that we can hang on the balcony so that it can look beautiful from down there as well. And this is a plant that we've had for over a year now. It's a very beautiful plant. It just hasn't flowered yet, but I'll show you how it will come out when it flowers out. Ah, yes.
They actually do this. You want to
Yeah, this is how it looks when it starts to flower. But these turn more purple as they grow. As you can see, the flowers are almost coming out. So soon it will be looking very beautiful and bright. The husband is doing the planting. We'll show you how it looks when it's done. Yes, my gardener. So that's my garden right there doing the planting. Yeah. So stay with us and let's see how this works out and how this is going to look. So we're still at it. Almost all the plants have been put in the flower pots, and soon we'll start putting them on the, what do you call this? On the rail. Yeah, we'll start putting them on the rail, then we'll show you how it has come out when we clean up all this mess. So yeah. When our gardener cleans up the mess. So this is our balcony. This is how all the work my husband did yesterday of planting the plants came out. This is how lovely it looks. So we hope this will inspire you to why are you running away from the camera? So yes, that's my husband right there. So we hope we've inspired you to also plant something and add some beauty to your life in this way. So we hope you look forward to the next video that we make, or the next place that we visit, or let's just say the next good time that we get to share. So until next time, this is the good times we share from Nick and Sandy, and he's always so sweet. Bye. Until next time. Bye, honey.